Jesus, tumira, ating. On from, still by 24. Meron pa pala kayo sa mga still po, nakuha niyo ulit. Number 45, dribbling. Number 45. Pumasok. Foul.
Wala na!
Foul rep. Okay, jumper. Rebound by pass to 15. Number 24. Number 24 is the dribbling. Dribbling. Pass to number 7. Steal. So dribbling. Number 15. Oh, yes, goal.
Talpak na
Ikaw lang talaga pinaka-pogi. 24, so dribbling. Pass to 11. 11. Ang pagkapasahan. Pass to 46. Number 46. Number 46. Pass to number 15. Tumira. Nothing. Number 11. Tumira. Nothing. Pass to 11. 11.
Masasaktan si Gusto.
11 pass to tumira. Nothing again. Tumira ulit. Foul rep.
NBA pala to. Hornets.
Nothing.
Talpa ka na.
Ready jumper. Twenty-four. Number 24. 46, the dribbling. 46. 46. Tumira. Good. Naribani 15. Look at the game. Naribani. Pass to 24. 24. Tumira. Good. Number 15. Ang dalawang bola. Number 15. Number 15. Agad mapapasahan. Okay po si number 4. 10 seconds shot clock. Tumira. Traveling. 15. Number 45 is a dribbling. Dribbling. Tumira. Atin po, yung sasad po dito, lapit lang po sa may upuan dito sa may committee. Para di po tayo malito.
Ganda.
Number 15. Number 15. Maganda na basahan. Red.
Dito na lang kayo. Okay mo yan.
45 is a dribbling. Pass to 7. Number 7. Ako din ulit. Pass to 45. 45. 10 seconds shot clock. Foul rep. Number 24. Tumira. Nothing. Narito 85. 85. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 6. Tumira. Good. Na-rebound ni number 11. Pass to 36. Number 15, it's the dribbling. 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 Sumalaksak, turut na bitawan. Line ball. Favorite Knights, RS Knights. 45, tumira. Favorite.
The veterans move.
Number, still for it. 24 is the dribbling, tumira. Foul, 15. Ready, jumper. Number 5, pass to 85. 85, to dribbling. 85. 85. Pass to steal. Pass to 45. Number 5.
Sini.
Number 15, tumira. Tumira ka, buwan. Pass to 7. 7, tumira. Hornets is the dribbling. Last 3 minutes. Dito lang po yung mga sasat. Number 98. 98 is a dribbling. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 15. Tumira ng press. Logo. Naribang 85. 85. Tumira. Power. Jumper. Nothing. Now number 7. Pass to 45. 45. Is a dribbling. Nakapala po yung number 45. 45. Lahat ng tapasan. Pass to 21. Tumira. Nothing. Number 46 is the dribbling. Number 46. Pass to number 4. Pass to 46. Tumira! Number 98.
Pupot na rin dun ba, no?
Number 45. 45. Pass to 7. Pass to 7. Pass to 45. Tumira! Nothing. Nariband. Naka number 30. Pass to 46. 46. 46 pass to number 4. Tumira natin. Na-rebound to number 11. 11. Tumira natin. Na-rebound to 45. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Pass to number 24. Tumira. Power. Pass ang tama. 36. Pass to number 4. Tumira. Natin. Na-rebound yung block. Nakakuha ni 98. Number 98. 98, tumira. Logo, na-rebound yung 45. 45, yung pagkagawan. Nakakuha number 7, pass to 24. Number 24. Good.
Nice foul.
Okay, pass to number 4. Number 4. Number 4 is the dribbling. Number 4. Number 4, berubah jump to first. Pass to 11, tumira. Logo, na-rebound po ni 11. Napakalakas. Good. Yellow. Pass to number 14.
Wala na ako.
Who number? Pass to number 14. Kumaksak. Foul.
Pass of 2. Now still to the 26. Number 9. Pass to 26. 14, tumira. Natin, naribaw ni number 4. Number 4 sa dribbling. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to 26. 26. Pass to 11. Foul with number 4. Number 4 from foul. First foul. Number 14. Number 14 foul. Second team foul. Orange Knight.
Siyempre ha, nagbibidyo. Sa inyo lang ako. Video mo. Siyempre na
Two shot.
Yulo.
Two shot ka.
Excited?
Two shot clear.
Ganyan yan.
Jumper. Ano jumper? Two pass. Nothing again. Number 26. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to 6.
Wala tumayawag, wala tumayawag. Sabay nyo na lang, sabay nyo na lang.
Number 46. 46. Number 28. Tumira. Nothing. Number 9. Rebound. Foul red.
Sab, pwede na.
Number 9. Number 9, Francisco. Substitution rep. On the ball.
Oo, ganyan sir.
Third, 13 foul. RS 9. Tumira ng 3. The rebound 11. Tumira. Foul. Number 3.
Sab-sab lang.
Hold the ball rep. Number 14, third personal foul. Team RS, warning for penalty. Yes, one. Substitution rep. 24. Good. Number 24. 24. Number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Nag-arma papasa. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 24. Tumira. No good. The rebound number 11. Hornets ng yellow. Nagala po 26. 46. Raul. Pass to number 11. Tumira. Nothing. The rebound number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Francisco. Pass to number 24. Tumira. No good. The rebound number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to 46. 10 seconds shot clock. Tumira na 3. No good. The rebound number 11. Ako ni number 4. Tumira. Nothing. The rebound 24. Pass to number 9. Tumira. Nothing. And number 5. Nothing again. The rebound 98. 98. 98 is the dribbling. 98.
Makapahiyak si Carl eh.
Tumira, 46, starting na rebound 24. Fast up, na still 11. 11. Tumira, good! Favor RS Knight.
Down south. Ready south.
Kulang dito sir sa may bangko ko. Number 24, tumira, count. Number 4.
Sub.
Number 4. Counted foul. Counted foul barangay. Second team foul.
Kami oh, kakamera ako.
All the bell rep, substitution again. Sub again.
Basta pag may sub, dito ka lang. Willis.
Okay.
Isbisyon, laro na si Boss Mike.
Jumper yan one shot. Jumper. Natin. Line ball. Pass to number 30. 30. Pass to number 85. Pass to number 5. Pass to 85. 10 second shot clock. Tumira natin. Na-rebound number 9. Tumira. Number 85. Number 6. Nakawala. Number 24. Hanggang mapasahan. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Foul whip. Pass to 24. Tumira. Number 24. 24 pa.
Lahat ng team. Iper 5 mo.
Ready, jump. Okay, 11. Number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 30. Okay. 85. Tumira. Natin. Na-rebound 24. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 11. Easy layup. Natin. Na-rebound number 6. Pass to 85. 85. Pass to number 30. Nakawala. Na-rebound.
Tama, Boss Mike.
Time out, rep.
Yellow.
Hornets, time out. Pasok na po. Game number 9. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 5. Penalty rep. Number 5. Third personal foul. Yellow, Hornets. Favor of RS Knight. Okay. Na-rebound number 7. Tumira ulit na block. Number 24. Foul. Number 30. 2 shot. Ang oras po natin ay 1 minute and 9 seconds. Nothing. Ready, jumper. Good for 1. Pass to number 5. Number 5. 30. Pass to number 6. Tumira. Nothing. Nothing number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 24. Tumira. Foul. Number 9. Number 9 foul. First personal foul. Number 9 yellow Hornets. Nothing. Ready jumper.
48 seconds.
48 seconds. Good play round. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. 30 seconds.
Third.
Nabibis ko.
25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yellow ball po tayo.
Pero mag-camera man ha.
Number 11.
Mamaya kay Boss Michael na nakatutok ko.
Pass to number 15. Pasok. Lovely. New ball.
Oh,
Number
lagyan.
24. The dribbling.
Parang
Number 24. Pass to number 26. Sumira.
kampanya lang naman
Good.
yun.
Very ball 30. Pass to 98.
Yung mga lang.
98. 98. Pass to number 15. Tumira. Pinutag na. Rebound by 19. Number 11. Tumira. Number 11. Foul.
Advantage.
Pero Alex,
Advantage.
Argay pa counted.
Last free throw.
Rebound number 11 again. Tumira natin. Rebound number 85. Pass to number 11. Tumira. Rebound. Number number 6. Pass to number 24. 24. Tumira. Rebound again. Rebound 98. 98. Pass to number 85. 85. Pass to number 6. Yellow ball.
Hindi kasi nakikita yung play.
Doon ka dapat sa.
Number 15, pass to number 11. 11. Pass to number 30. Tumira. Fourteen 22. Favor of Ares 9. Number 11. Tumira. Good. Yellow ball. Napakaganda pong laban.
Napakaganda laban. Bolero ka talaga.
Number 98.
Hindi pares lang eh.
Mga committee kami picture mo.
98. Fighting for the 24. Yellow ball.
Ang gagawa pa ng mga committee nyo.
Number 98. Pass to 11. 5, 4, 3, 2, number 85, tumira. Tumira again, Talib.
Who's foul?
Who's fouled? Number 6.
Pre.
26. Second personal foul.
Pasok, pwede.
Nothing. Ready jumper. Tumira. Naribang number 30. Pasok number 11. Tumira. Foul. 26. Substitution rep. 26. Second personal foul. Number 26. Third personal foul. Sino ba magpargay?
Nakapasa mga free throw niya ito.
Marami na, no?
Mabo na.
Ready, jumper. Ready. Naribang nice team number 3. Gagawin ng bola. Ako na 85. Tumira. Ready, naribang 85. Tumira. Sayang. Foul.
Ito, hindi ko sabi. Kumakapit yan.
Number 24. Number 6, Tumira. Number 6, Blue.
Baka siya po, kandong na lang.
Ano kasi mo po? Doon ka na lang kay Tonyo.
Number 15. Number 30, Tumira. Ready. Naribang ni 11. Paso number 4. Number 4, napasahan. Paso number 15, Tumira. Ready. Naribang ni number 45. Number 45. Number 45. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 4. Still 4. Number 45. Rebound. Tumira number 26. Good. Good for 2. Good for 24.
Bagong po.
26-15. Bebek RS9. Number 30. Shot clock. 9. Pass to 24. Tumira. Good for 2. Time out, Red.
Pag nabigay.
Okay, go. Number 85. 85. Tumira. Go. Naribang number 5. Tumira again. Good for 2.
Malak mo si Rayo.
Number 5. 28-17. Favor of RS9.
Ready time out. Pag nag-dead ball.
26. Tumira.
Pwede na ball.
Foul. Number.
Sino po?
Number 4.
Time out. Pwede yan. Dead ball.
Time out, Red. Hornets, yellow. Hindi pa penalty.
Time out. Time out. Hornets. Ako pala si Maros eh.
Number 4, third personal foul. Hornets.
Yeah, pwede sir, pwede.
Pwede lang po, pasok lang.
Pwede. Wala akong bahag, entrance, exit, meron. Uy, napalamagandang namin.
Yung kung ano dyan, yung second game. Time, second game. Prepare na po.
Maggie, prepare ka na.
Yung mga nananalpak dyan, mag-ano na, mag-uniform. Yung nananalpak dyan, mag-uniform na.
Pagalan, pwede.
Pagka time out po, pwede na kayong pumasok kung sino gusto yung pasok nyo. Pass to number 9, pass to number 45. 45, binalik sa number 9. Number 8 sa malaksak, tumira. No good, rebound number 30. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 360, foul. Number 5, by the shot. No good. Rebound number 80.
Wala kasi number sa harap ba?
Number 9, dribble the ball. Number 9, crossover. Number 15, there's a dribbling. Number 6, tumira. No good. Laro ko yan, number 5. The big man. Pass to number 11. Number 11, nagkakabalan. Nakakulang. Shot clock.
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Blue ball.
Sir, dito sir, ah.
Sir, dito lang po, kulang-kulang. Yan. Number 9. 28-19, favor of RS Knight. Shot clock, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, good play. 20-19, favor of RS Knight. Sana po ang kalamangan. Number 98. Okay. Paso number 50, tumira ng 3.
Division. 4,000 monthly nga.
Palmera home, subdivision. Number 9, pass to 24. 24, pass to 45. Nagkagala po, nasa 85. 85. 85.
Injury yan, di ba?
Ito.
Kuha kayo.
Number 9. 9. Marius tumira. Logo, dari dari 85. 55. 50 seconds.
Okay.
44 seconds.
Alpha, ya.
Count foul.
Pag-counted.
Counted foul.
Number 5.
45.
5 lang.
Number 5. Running for graduate number 5. Hornets.
Number 5.
Good player.
Ayan lang graduate.
Number 11. $35 seconds. 30 seconds. $25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
20
Shot
shoot.
clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 7. Tumira. Good for you, number 7. 36-19.
Number 98 is a dribbling. Number 98, pass to number 11. 11. Number 98, tumira na 3, ulit na. Total. Number 7, pass to number 24. 24. 45. Pass to number 7, tumira.
Operasyon, no?
38-19. Hati na po ang kalamangan ng RS9. 85. 85. Pass to 30, tumira ng 2 shot.
Number 30.
Gusto nyo, kala ko pupisa sila Ali ba?
Number 7, pass to number 45. 45. Pass to number 7. Tumira. Naribot. Foul.
14.
Number 14.
Ay mo namin 6 minutes.
Running for graduate. Number 14. Win-win. Number 98. Number 98. Number 98. Tumira. Naribot number 6. 45. Pass to number 5. Tumira. 40-21. Favor RS9.
Ito si Arlie.
Number 30, tumira. Ready. 45, tumira. Yellow ball.
Basta ako dito, ayaw sa mga sila.
Kailangan si Larry.
85. 85 sa balasak. Huli yan. No good. Very 45. 45. 45. Pass to number 5. Tumira. Habo. Number 11. Number 85. Lumayan. No good. Foul left. Number 6.
7.
Substitution.
Sab dito.
Substitution.
Arlie out.
Number 6 out. Number 15. Number 7 foul. Substitution.
Nabigay na. Waiting sir, waiting. Pag pumasok ang isa. Oy, ladies, okay lang kayo dyan? Nasaan?
Number 15, Tumira. No good. Number 30, Tumira. Nothing. Number 45. 45.
Still in.
Number 6, pass to 45. 45. Agad mapapasahan. Pass to number 14. Tumira. No good. Naribal number 85. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Number 15. Last in number 5. Number 5. 45. Shot clock, 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5. Botin po.
Sab.
90, 85. Foul. Botin po. Meron pong tagdadalawang timeout.
Hindi, nabigay mamaya.
Okay.
Pagpumasok
2 shot.
So, pag pumasok kayo, pwede mag-ano.
Ready jumper. Foul 22.
Next up, pwede na yan. Foul.
Time out rep. Hornets. Foul 22. Ang yellow po, isang timeout. Ang blue, dalawa pa. Number 15. Number 15, so 11, tumira. Good for 2. 40-23. RS 9, lamang. Number 45. Tumira ng 3. Number 11. Number 15. Number 15. Now still up. Good. Good. Number 4.
Ano naka-triple na, tinira na.
Tumira ng 3. Good. Tari ba number 7? Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Nabitawan. Now still ulit. Tumira. Good. Number 7. 45-23. RS 9. Lamang. Number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 85. 85. Sumalagsak. Tumira. Good. Number 7. Ulitas yun. Line ball. Blue ball. Very good. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Number 4. Number 4 is a good move. Number 4. Number 15, tumira ng 3. No good. Blue ball. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. 45-23. Laman po ang RS 9. 45. Number 45. Pass to 22. Number 22. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 7. Sarmiento tumira ng 3. No good. Na-revolve number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 7. 360. Pati na-revolve number 4. Pass to number 85. 85. 85 is a good name. 85 pass to 11. Tumira. Narigage. Narigage 35. Unita sa 85. Good play. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 11. 11. 11, Tumira, 11, number 45. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Hinayan Team Lago.
Asa. Agad.
Number 7. Tumira, good play. Good play to Hinayan. Wala pa, ano mag-deadball tayo? Number 11, Tumira. Good play to
3 points. 2 points lang. Hindi referee, hindi Nagulo nyo eh. Hindi, nakagano mo.
good play to oras po natin 50 seconds 45 seconds
Sub.
Holdable red, substitution. Foul.
Pwede na, sir, pwede na.
Calling for penalty. RS9. Seconds. Foul red. Number 7. Penalty red. Number 7. Take personal foul. Oras po natin, 37 seconds. Nothing.
Wala.
30 seconds. 85 seconds. Hornets number 9. Number 9, foul. Ang oras po natin, 25 seconds. Ang score po natin, 49-27. Lamang po ang RS9. Nothing. Ready jumper. Super one. Yes. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano ba dito? Pag-save na. Pag-save, ito taas.
Okay, second game, prepare.